Discounts. Who doesn't like discounts? And as an Amazon seller, you're constantly looking for ways to improve your sales and beat the competition. Let's talk about STR or strike-through price. Welcome to another episode of Amazon Decoded, a special series right here on the Amazon Sellers Society YouTube channel. Quickly, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you never miss another episode. And if you want to watch all of the other episodes, you'll find the playlist link in the description box of this video. What is strike-through price? It's where Amazon shows the original price of the product, a strike through that price, and then shows the discounted price. This has been proven to improve your conversion rate and boost sales. Now, if you've tried to do this in the past and it hasn't worked on your page, please watch the video till the end because I'll let you know exactly the reason why. But if you want to learn how to do the strike-through price, also keep on watching. So why does the strike-through price work? Well, it works because of a psychological phenomena known as loss aversion principle, which essentially means that we as human beings simply don't like to lose. Not only that, discounts make us very happy and excited because of a hormone that the body releases known as oxytocin, which makes us feel energetic, enthusiastic, and makes us feel smarter because we're saving some money. Let me show you step by step how to do the strike-through price.
So to start the strike-through price, you need to go into your inventory inside of Amazon Seller Central, locate the listing that you want to discount, and then click on Edit. Depending on the product and the category of the product, this might be a little bit different. It might look a little bit different, but it's the same exact sequence. As you can see, we've got our list price here at 54 dirhams. What we need to do is to add the sale price, and then we will be prompted to add the sale start date as well as the sale end date. So let's say I'm going to discount it to 51.99 dirhams. And then I'm going to have to, as you can see, I'm going to have to add the sale start date as well as the end date. So let me just say for 1 week, and then scroll down to the bottom and click on Save and Finish.
I would highly suggest that you do the strike-through price as a test to see if it works or how much it's going to work, how much it actually improves your sales. But at least give it a week. So do it for a full week so that you can see what has happened, how it has improved, or what you can do. And you can then analyze all of the data and see how to move forward with it and when to implement it, when is the right time for you to implement it. Now, if you've tried to do the strike-through price, or if you try to do it right now and it doesn't work, it doesn't show, there's no strike-through on your product page, that's simply because you haven't sold any product at the original list price. So Amazon are very smart. They know how much this strike-through price will actually improve your conversion rate. And remember, Amazon constantly want to make sure that the customers have a good and safe website to purchase from, a marketplace to purchase them. And we're very happy that they're working on that. That's why if you haven't sold the product at the list price within a span of 90 days, then if you try to discount it, it's just not going to show. So you will need to have sold the product at the original list price for during a span of 90 days before you actually try to discount it so that you can get the strike-through price. It's as simple as that. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you leave me a comment in the comment section below. And I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.